Hey there. In this video, we'll show a demonstration of the remote code execution capability found in the MTGInvocationBoxing class provided by the Mintegral SDK. During this video, we'll be using an application running on a real iOS device that uses the Mintegral Add SDK. The app will be blurred for privacy reasons. The malicious payload that we will execute can either come from the Mintegral server or the advertising banner itself. We'll be using an ngrok URL to replace the Mintegral server by exposing our own local server to the internet. We spin up our own HTTP server to serve the malicious ad banner running in the app on the device. As soon as the game loads our own malicious banner at the bottom of this app, we can see the IDFA of the device has been sent to our server logs. It looks like this banner is doing some nasty things. We'll take a break from the app to look at some sensitive information, such as this password manager. I'm going to copy the password as I want to use it later, but with this sensitive information in my clipboard, let's head back to the game. As soon as we open it, the malicious ad banner uses the remote code execution inside the Mintegral SDK to run malicious code that steals the password data from the clipboard and sends it back to our evil server. To find out more about Sourmint, visit the Snyk research site for more information. Thanks for watching and stay secure.